Hi everybody, this is James. Today I'm going to show you how you can calculate mean, median, and mode using SPSS. The steps are very easy and simple to implement, so sit back and relax. Before we begin, let's take a quick look at the question we're going to solve. The marks obtained by 15 students in a mathematics test are as follows. We'll use this data set to calculate the mean, median, and mode in SPSS. Open SPSS and switch to the Variable View tab at the bottom. Here, create a new variable. Let's name it math_score. Set the type to numeric and keep the rest of the default settings. In the data view, manually enter the marks under math score variable. Now go to the top menu and click Analyze. Then choose Descriptive Statistics and click on Frequencies. From the list of variables, select math_score and move it to the right-hand box using the arrow. Click the Statistics button. Check the boxes for mean, median, and mode. Then click Continue, then OK. In the Output Viewer, SPSS will display a frequency table with the mean, median, and mode. And that's it. You've now learned how to calculate mean, median, and mode in SPSS using a real data set. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.